Alright guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and dryer set, and this guy here got it loaded up. Nice heavy load of clothes. Still got a little touch up to do on this one, but we're going to go ahead and run this test, show you that the functionality of it is perfect. So it's filling up now, you'll get to hear it agitate, and then we'll come back also for the final spin. Kind of do these as if you were standing here yourself, testing it out before you buy it. That way you know when you get home, plug it in, everything works good. And I put the washer through a 28-point inspection and the dryer through a 22-point inspection. So that way everything checks out and it's good to go when it leaves my care here. So we'll let this thing finish up and come back to it. Okay, so it has filled up. You see it's got a nice strong agitation. And we're on the washing portion, so next is rinse and then it'll be the final spin. Okay, and we come to the rinse cycle. So it's drained, now it's filling back up. It'll agitate and then go on the final spin. Put a couple of new side pieces on here. Gone ahead and cleaned it up, touched it up. It's in excellent shape. We're going to give it a minute to finish filling up, allow it to rinse, and then we'll come back for that final spin. Okay, and we've switched over to the final spin cycle. It's up running full blast, getting the last little bit of rinse in there. As you can see, it's got nice smooth operation. It's not bouncing around or anything like that. All things you'd want to check for. And I'm going to open this up. Not really supposed to do that, but I want to show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. Comes to a stop. Then it's going to jump back up to speed there. So we'll go ahead and move those clothes over to the dryer as soon as it's done spinning out and show you the dryer. Okay, and we've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. You see the light works, all that's good. We'll go ahead and just stick it on time dry, high heat. Signal doesn't really matter. Just hit go. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. See a little temperature gun. Whatever that red light shines on gives you the surface temperature. Whatever it shines on there. So give it just a sec to heat up. And the inside temperature of this dryer will get anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. Just kind of depends on which setting you have set here. Because there is a delicate for low, like certain type of sheets and all that. Super capacity plus on both of these guys. And what I'm going to do is shoot this right into the heating element tube. So you can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. And then the inside of your dryer, like I said, as it heats up, gets pretty warm. So there you have it. You see that light is nice and bright. Lid switch works. When you open that, it shut it down. Just hit go. So we'll let those finish up and go ahead and get these listed for sale. Do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you. Have a great day.